Kamabits. We are having a rainy day and to have a meaningful time spending this season, we will going to have a spelling game. And then I will play with my youngest son, and if whoever committed mistake, if I commit mistake, I will put my face on the baby powder, and if he committed a mistake, I will put him a powder. Okay? And for the first trial, RJ, are you ready? You say yes. Okay. Spell egg. Spell egg. Ah, very good. Okay, let's give him a clap. Okay, your turn. Okay, my other son will give me the word. Okay.
Spell pronunciation.
Pronunciation. You want to give the meaning first before I spell that?
The act or manner of pronouncing something.
Okay, pronunciation. Pronunciation. Am I correct? Yay! Actually, I have a dilemma whether it's N-O-U-N, but it's N-U-N. Okay. For the second word, RJ, spell zebra. Zebra is an animal with a stripe.
Z-V-R-A.
Very good, RJ. Okay, for the next word, Neo.
Spell continuously.
Okay, continuously. I guess it's so easy.
Easy? Easy?
Magmali ka ng isa, mama.
Continously. Continuously. Okay. For the next round, RJ, spell banana.
Mali yan, dapat.
B-A-N-A-A.
Again, RJ. Again.
B-A-N-A-A.
Again, RJ. Again. One more time.
B-A-N-A-N-A.
Very good. Neo, give me the third word.
Spell misspell.
Misspelled M-I-S P-E-L-L-E-D. Okay, I got it wrong. It is M-I-S-S.
Yes.
Okay, I will put my face. Okay, RJ. Spell church. RJ, spell church.
T-R. Ano?
Okay. C-H-U-R-C-H. Okay, let's... Okay. Your fourth word.
Spell gobbledygook.
What's the meaning? I don't know that.
An incoherent babbling in fashion that makes no sense and noises to your listeners.
Again, what's the word?
Gobbledygook.
I don't know that. Again, gobbledygook?
Gobbledygook.
Gobbledygook. Okay, next word, RJ, spell siren. Siren.
S-I-R-E.
Very good, siren. Okay, for the fourth word. Last word. Fifth word.
Spell maneuver.
Maneuver.
Hindi ko.
M-A-N
job!
Yay! Thank you guys and enjoy your watching. Thanks for watching.